The common challenge faced these days is that the resume doesn't get shortlisted. The main reason is our resume are not ATS friendly. Hey friends, welcome. In this video, we'll see how to create a ATS friendly resume using ChatGPT. Before we get started, let's quickly understand what is ATS. ATS means Applicant Tracking System. These are basically softwares used by companies to filter through resumes and identify most qualified candidate for a job. ATS systems can scan resumes for specific keywords and phrases, so it's important to optimize your resume to get past the initial screening stage. Now, let me show you how to create a ATS friendly resume using ChatGPT. Firstly, identify the job you want to apply for. Secondly, have your resume in PDF format available. Now go to ChatGPT, attach the resume and enter the prompt. I am now copying the job description from the identified job. Hit enter. This prompt will allow me to recreate my resume, suggest areas to focus and improve from the job perspective, links to upgrade, cover letter to be sent to the HR. I hope this video has helped you learn how to create an ATS friendly resume using ChatGPT. By following these simple steps, you can increase your chance to get noticed and be recruited and land for an interview. Thank you for watching.